Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to remove the Alt and the Tab key combinations, blur up the background on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So the Windows and the Tab key shortcut is used for switching between multiple apps that are open on your computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So, all you have to do is open up on search menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings. And then, click mo lang to open. Okay, so dito sa settings, and then, kailangan mo lang select dito yung accessibility. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa accessibility, dito lang sa visions. Under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung visual effects. Okay, so scroll bars, transparency animations, notifications, time up. Ito siya. Okay, so i-click mo lang ito. And then next dito sa visual effects. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung transparency effects. So make some Windows backgrounds slightly transparent. So dapat ay kailangan mo itong in-disable. Alright? So i-click mo lang itong button niya, itoggle off mo siya, and then naka-off now. Kung gusto mo itong enable, so click mo lang itong button niya. Ganito siya. At makikita mo dito na naka-turn on na. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to remove Alt+Tab blur, background, and Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.